Hey everyone, welcome back to Betcha, where we explore crypto casinos that actually pay. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Rainbet the smart way, from signing up to grabbing bonuses and making those big wins. Let's start with the basics. Head over to rainbet.com. No KYC needed, just your email or crypto wallet. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean dashboard showing games, tournaments, and live dealer tables. It's super easy to navigate, even if you're a beginner. Next, top up your balance using Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Rainbet's crypto deposits are instant, and withdrawals are lightning fast too. Before you start, don't forget to claim your welcome bonus. That's where the smarter play begins. Now comes the fun part, choosing your games. Stick to provably fair titles and high RTP picks like Crash, Blackjack, and Dice. Use smaller bets to test volatility, then scale up once you've found your rhythm. Smart bankroll management is the key to consistent wins. When you're ready to withdraw, hit cash out, choose your crypto, and done. No ID, no delays. Remember, always double-check your wallet address before confirming the transaction. So that's your beginner's walkthrough on how to use Rainbet for smarter, bigger wins. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more crypto casino guides, and let me know in the comments which Rainbet game gave you your biggest win.